Hey guys, it's Speedbird here and welcome to another aircraft model unboxing. And Merry Christmas guys to all you watching there. I wish you have a Merry Christmas. So let's get to this unboxing. They were unboxing a United Boeing 747-400 or nicknamed the Queen of the Skies. As always, nothing is special in the box, just a usual aircraft model box. So let's get to open it. That's all in the box. Just that one. So I'm just gonna get this box out of here. So in the box we have the airplane model itself. We're gonna review that later. The base of the stand and the stand itself. There's nothing more, there's this plastic base. So in the last video I've already told you all on how to install this. Just get this thing in the back, then it's done. Now let's proceed to the aircraft. The aircraft, it's a Boeing 747-400 by United Airlines, and I'm pretty sure that they've already retired it out of service and replaced it with a more modern, or the modern Boeing 787-10. I'm looking forward to get that model, but I haven't had that yet. So let's get to it. This is the tail section of the aircraft. We got the horizontal stabilizer or the rudder, the United Airlines logo, the elevators, two elevators. It's more bigger now because it's a bigger aircraft obviously. We got the country of registration, United States of America, the registration number of November 199 Uniform Alpha. Then we proceed to L5, which means the number 5 door to the left. L5, L4, L3, L2, L1. Then this aircraft, the 747-400, is famous for its hump or its upper deck. It used to be a first class lounge, but now it's where first class is located, or the economy or business class. And we have the cockpit over here. It is usually located at the top of the aircraft, or where the hump is. The 747-400 has 4 engines. This is engine number 1, engine number 2, engine number 3, and engine number 4. And then we have the famous winglet that comes off the wings with a 45-degree angle. For this aircraft, nothing special yet. We have here the flaps. This is the flaps. This is the inner spoilers, the flaps, and then this is the aileron. Same for the left wing or the right wing. This is the outbound slats, or the outer section of the wing. Nothing special about this aircraft, but it's a 747. Honestly, this is one of my favorite aircrafts, the 747, after the A350 and the Boeing 777. I think that's all today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and to my friend's channel. Their links will be in the description down below for more gaming, unboxing, or other videos. And that's it, guys. See ya.